Hi everyone, we're here at John Sadler's Auto Repair. Today we're working on a 2010 Toyota Limited 4Runner. And the customer told me not to do an oil change because he had recently gone to his local Toyota dealership and had an oil change. So I was servicing the vehicle, doing the differential and the front and rear differentials, transfer case, and some other things like that for him. Today's July 20th, 2018. The current mileage is 115,254. And let me show you some of the things I found out when I removed the skid plate from the front. Okay, every drain plug, when you do an oil change, it's supposed to have a seal ring on the drain plug. And if you look at this drain plug, it's cranked into the oil pan. It's supposed to have this seal. This seal is right from Toyota. So that's supposed to be in this space and torqued on anywhere from 23 to 27 foot-pounds. I have to look it up exactly to see, but that's totally missing. And usually when they do something like this, they over tighten this, and a lot of times it damages the threads in the pan. Then I came over here and I see a lot of oil. And I looked up here, this is the oil filter inside this housing inside of here. And I can see oil everywhere. Someone's put some kind of clear, like silicone here, and then again up here. But there's oil everywhere. I haven't started it and run it to see if it's dripping right now, but there shouldn't be all this oil all over the place. There's oil all over here. So somebody missed the boat on cleanliness, and I would be embarrassed to say my repair facility did something like this. So that's the filter, and so that makes me question, there's an O-ring here, then there's another seal on here. When you see something that's filthy, you wonder if they did anything with that or not. And one last time, here's the oil drain plug, and you can see that it's missing the seal ring. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day.